After cleaning out the clutter and then painting the garage, I was left with a 7-foot section of wall space wide open, perfect for a French cleat wall. What is a French cleat? A French cleat is just a board cut with a 45-degree edge. The wall gets a cleat with the angle on the top, and whatever you want to hang gets the angle facing down. It's great if you want to change things up and move things around. For this project, I decided to use 1x6 pine boards. Here I'm finding the center of the board edge to mark the 45-degree rip cut. Next, I marked out where the studs are, then marked my boards so I knew where to pre-drill. After getting all the holes pre-drilled with a countersink bit, I went to tack up the boards using a 2x4 as a 3.5-inch spacer. That didn't work. So I decided to use a 1x6 scrap piece to make a cleated 3.5-inch spacer. Here I changed my mind and decided to add 2 more lower cleats. These cleats are easier to hang starting from the bottom and going up. After dropping a half dozen screws, I figured out it was much easier to get the screws started before lining up the boards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.